past simple tense. Let's look at what we are going to study in this video. When to use past simple, how to make sentences in the past simple, verb to be in the past simple, regular and irregular verbs in the past simple, the time expression. Let's start the topic. When do we use past simple tense? The action that happened and were completed in the past. Action that occurred at a specific time in the past. Action in a sequence of events in the past. Let's understand some examples. Completed action. I visited Islamabad last year. Means this action has completed in the past. Specific time. She met her friend at 6 p.m. yesterday. Sequence of events. He woke up, got dressed, and went to the office. In this sentence, he has done number of actions in the sequence. Let's understand with some other example. Last year, I went on a trip to Pakistan. Means this action has happened before now. So, you can use the past simple tense to talk about completed or finished action in the past. The action is started and finished in the past. Let's have another example of the sequence of the sentences. In the morning, I woke up, brushed my teeth, took a shower, and finally got dressed. So, you can use the past simple tense to talk about one completed action after another. How to use past simple tense? All the subjects take the past form of verb. No matter the subject is singular or plural, we use the second form of verb for all subjects. For example, she went to the market last night. He ate burger an hour ago. In the past simple tense, form of verbs do not depend on the subject except for be words. So let's go through be verbs. Verb to be in the past simple. Be is the only simple past verb that changes forms for different subjects. Be changes according to subjects into two forms. Was and were. Was used for singular subject, while were used for plural subjects. Let's take some examples. I was excited. He was excited. We were excited. They were excited. She was excited. You were excited. It was excited. For pronoun you, we always use were, either it is singular or plural. In English language, the words are divided into two categories, the regular words and irregular verbs. Regular words change into past forms by adding d, ed or ied to the base form. While irregular verbs do not follow a consistent pattern for their past form. Each irregular verb has a unique past form. Regular verbs in the past simple. If the verbs end in a silent e, we simply add d to make it past. For example, life change into lived, hate, hated, bake, baked. I baked cakes yesterday. For most of the verb, we simply add ed. For example, talk, talked, clean, cleaned, play, played. I played cricket last night. If the verb ends in a constant plus y, change y into I and add ed. For example, cry, cried. We remove y, add I and ed, so it becomes right. Carry, Change Y into I and add ed. Cried. Study. Replace Y with I and add ed. So it becomes studied. I studied an hour ago. Irregular verbs in past simple. Irregular verbs change into different forms. We do not simply add d or ed to make it past. For example, do change into did, buy, bought, go, went. Here is a list of some of the most common irregular verbs. You can save it for practice. Time expressions. We usually use the following time expression for past simple: yesterday, ago, last night, last year, last week, etc. For example, these are the repeated examples. My mother went to market last night. He ate a burger an hour ago. Hope you enjoyed the topic. For practice worksheet, you can follow my Facebook page, The Edutainment Official. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.